Locker cold joke.
Why couldn't a bicycle stand up by itself?
Because it's not wearing New Balance.
No, because it was too tired.
Why did the math book look sad?
Because you treat him badly.
No, because it had too many problems.
How can you help big stuff? No, give him a hand.
Do you know why the baby called coffee?
Because the baby is really called coffee?
Not really, because the baby keeps us awake at night.
Wow.
What is the best place to go when you are dying?
Convent? Hospital?
No, it's the living room.
Anki, do you know why I'm wearing sunglasses?
Because of the sunlight?
No, because the students are so bright.
Oh my god.
First Big Brother. First Big Brother. First Big Brother. First Big Brother.
Okay, it's okay. Keep working, clean it up, please.
Are you sick?
I have a headache. I drunk last night. Anyway, what do you want?
I want to let you know I awakened already.
A weekend?
Awakened. I found it understood if I wanted to develop Shaolin Kung Fu to the world, I would package it.
Packaging?
Singing. You won't believe what I saw today. I stepped on
Don't
Shaolin.
bother me.
But what do you want if I combine Shaolin Kung Fu with singing and dancing?
No way.
How you give it if you had never tried?
Stop thinking about it. I've already advised you to down to earth. Eat rather than dream about anything.
If we don't have any dreams in life, we look like a sort of fish.